guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with a Luvme hair wig install today. So just so you guys know, Luvme hair produces game changer on effortless wig installations. They always deliver uncompromising quality on their ready to go wigs with a really good price. Switching it up is everything, and that's one of the main reasons why I love Luvme hair's glueless wigs. So the one that I am currently wearing, and it's the same one that I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install today, is their casual blonde highlight minimalist curly wig. And you guys, this wig is so nice. She is 12 inches long, and I love the fact that she is glueless. I love the C part. That C part comes defined. I did not have to bleach the knots. I did not have to do any plucking. The wig literally comes out the box ready to go. I also love the highlight color. It's completely different from other wigs that I have tried, and I'm obsessed with the way that this wig is cut because I feel like it helps to frame your face very well. So before we jump into the tutorial portion, I'm going to give you guys a quick unboxing, and I'm also going to show you guys how easy it was to define the curls on this wig on a mannequin head. Alright, so now that I've showed you guys how easy it is to define the curls, I gave you the unboxing, I'm going to give you a full-on installation, which is going to take less than 5 minutes because all we had to do was just throw her on and go. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's tutorial. I can't stop looking at my hair, sorry. I am completely obsessed with the wig. Again, I love the curl pattern. I love the highlights. I feel like it helps to bring out the curl pattern. I also love the C part. I feel like that is completely different. And I love the fact that she is 100% glueless. You guys know I stan me some glueless wigs. Again, I'm obsessed with these beautiful defined curls, the highlighted color, and I feel like the way that the wig is cut, once again, I just love the way it frames my face. I don't get hidden in the curls, you know what I mean? Summer is here, so a lot of us are standing curly bob wigs right now, so I will have the direct link to this wig in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out Luvme Hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.